everybody, and welcome back to A Taste of Cafe Nailu, where everything is what? Lip smacking, toe tapping good. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making street steak tacos. These are the same little tacos they sell on the taco trucks. They're very small. I can eat about 4 of them myself. So let's get this ball rolling if you want to try it out, because Taco Tuesday is coming up and they would be a perfect fit for your Tuesday meal. And it's going to be quick and easy, I promise. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, and what? Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Come on, y'all, let's go ahead on with this recipe. All right, y'all, here are all the ingredients I use for these street steak tacos. Skirt steak, these street taco shells, all the seasonings I use to marinate my meat, lime, onion, cilantro, cotija cheese, here brown sugar, salt of course, and these are all going to be in the marinade except the salsa. So let's get this ball rolling. All right, let's get this seasoning going on now. Add your olive oil, your apple cider vinegar, and that apple cider vinegar helps tenderize your meat, guys. So make sure you get every drop of this marinade and don't leave a bit of it, because you want to make sure it's tender and very, very flavorful. Look at that, y'all. It's looking all pretty. It's time to go in that Ziploc bag so we can marinate for an hour to 3 hours. 3 hours is best. I'm starting off with a very sharp knife. As you can see, I'm slicing this meat and it's slicing very easily, and that's because the knife is sharp. So we want to slice it down on both sides and then start chopping it up so you'll get that chopped beef effect. Well, now it's time to get this griddle heated. I'm adding my oil and I'm gonna let that get hot. You guys see I have a new stove. I'm so excited. All right, so let's get this meat on this stove and start cooking it up. I like my meat pretty much well done. If you don't, you don't have to cook it as long, but I don't like any red in my meat, so it's going to be all well done, and it's still going to be tender because why? We use that apple cider vinegar and that olive oil, and that helps tenderize that meat, guys. All right, I've washed and cleaned my cilantro, and now I'm going to chop it up along with my onions. Warming up my tortillas. These are the street side tortillas, which are very small, and warming them up makes them pliable so they don't break when you stuff them. All right, y'all, it's time to fill these little babies. As you can see, I have an assembly line, and I'm adding in my cilantro, and then I'm going to add in the onions and the salsa with the cotija cheese. That's my process. If you want to go a different route, that's totally fine. It's your taco meal and it's your personal preference. But I can guarantee you the flavor won't change and you will love these tacos. And they're homemade from your own home. Now don't y'all forget, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. Y'all be blessed. Hugs and kisses from A Taste of Cafe Nailu.